In Kotlin, you can add comments to your code to provide explanations, notes, and documentation. Comments are not executed by the compiler or interpreter. They are purely for human readers. Kotlin supports two types of comments: single-line comments and multi-line comments. Let's learn about these comments. At first, I'll start with the single-line comments. Single-line comments start with two forward slashes. They extend from the forward slashes to the end of the line and are used for commenting a single line of code. Single-line comments are often used for short explanations or comments on a specific line of code. For example, if I need to explain this line of code, I'll create here a comment. So this single line comment explains this line. Multi-line comments are enclosed with forward slash asterisk and asterisk forward slash delimiters. They can span multiple lines and are used for commenting multiple lines of code or for writing longer explanations. Multi-line comments are often used for documenting functions, classes, or describing complex algorithms. For example, inside this delimiter, I'll explain some codes. When you run the program, you should see the console output in the Run or Debug tabs at the bottom of the IDE window. The output will look similar to what we learned before. Hello, my friend. So these comments are not executed. So comments are crucial for making your code more readable, understandable, and maintainable. They help you and other developers understand the code's purpose, how it works, and any important considerations. Good commenting practices can make it easier to collaborate on projects, troubleshooting, and document your code for future reference.